Okay, now let you come out and see your table. So EMP one table was there. In this EMP table, guys, here, let you find out now. Okay, so here commission is one of my column is there, guys. And in this commission column, if you want to identify carefully, few employee commissions are null was there. Okay, and few employee commissions are having some value. So like 300, 1000, 500, 250, 0. So like this, 1200, 100, like this. And few employees commissions are null. Suppose if I'm asking whose commission, okay, whose commission is 0, if I'm asking, suppose whose commission is 0 means, then generally 0 is a value. Yes or no? 0 is a number or 0 is a value. So that's why what we can do, we are directly writing where commission, okay, is equals to 0. So which employee commissions are 0, those people I want it. That commission is equals to 0, I want executed and to execute. Now see, which employee commission is 0, the person is came out. Okay, so now this is what, so 0 means what now, it is a value, but null is not a value. Null is not a value, null is a nothing. 0 is a value, but null is a nothing. Okay na? So that is what a difference here. So 0 is a value, so that's why I'm using assignment operator, equal operator, and comparing and checking here over. But the question is what now here, now my question is, okay, whose commission is null? Okay, whose commission is null? So now how we can write, guys? Any expectation? Anybody? How to write whose commission is null? Then how to write query? Any guessing, guys? Yes. So somebody, how they are writing means commission is equals to null. This is, so many people are expecting like this. So many people are expecting like this. Then when I'm going to execute this one and see what it was happen, it doesn't show any information for us. Why, sir? Why it is not showing means I said your null is nothing. Your null is nothing. And we are using equal operator. But what is your equal operator? Whenever I need to use, I need to pass some value now. When I'm using equal operator, I need to pass some value. But here, where is your value? Nothing was there. So null is nothing but what? Nothing. So commission is equals to nothing. So commission is equals to nothing. Then how we can go to return your value? No, not at all. Yes or no? So that's why it is not possible. That is the reason we need to introduce the people one special operator introduced here, that is is. So in place of equal operator, we should use it what now? Is keyword. When I'm using is keyword, then is keyword is comparing empty values, in your commission column. And now we can see, guys, here all commission people whose commission is null, those null people only displayed. Can you see? So all are null people displayed. Yes or no, guys? Okay, all are null values displayed now. Yes. So this is what, guys, the null comparison. When you want to do compulsory, we should use a is keyword. Don't use equal operator. Don't use less than, greater than. These operators are not accepted by your null, and it doesn't accepted by your server, and server will not identify what is what. So that's why we should use a is keyword whenever you want to comparing nulls. Okay, na? Right. In the same to same, negative. Negative is what now? Display employee whose commission is not null. So whose commission is not null, then what we want to do? Negative operation. So just you have to pass here. So is not null, I'm giving here, and to execute your query and see who will become us here. So these are the people, their commission is not null. And here even the 0 also came out. So now I think you understand here. 0 and null is not equals to 0. Now understand now? null is not equals to 0. Okay, right. So this is whose commission is not equals to 0, those people information we got it. Okay, no? Right. And this is null operator, guys. Here how this special operator means, when you need to comparing nulls in a particular column, so compulsory we should use a is keyword to comparing purpose. Other than is keyword, you can't use any other operators when you're comparing with the nulls. Okay, now so this is one very important point for your interviews. Okay, now right. And guys, here this is one problem we avoided, comparing nulls. And another problem is also there. What is another problem? Let you see one more example. Write a query to display employee name, job, salary, commission, and salary plus commission from EMP table whose employee name is for example Alan. So question carefully observe, guys. What is my question? I want to display employee name, job, salary, commission, and salary plus commission from EMP table whose employee name is Alan. So first of all, you just come out here to call your entire table, guys, here. So I want to call my entire table first of all. Okay, right. And to execute now, so I am asking Alan employee details I'm asking, but I'm not asking all details of Alan. What I'm asking, guys, here, I'm asking name, job, salary, commission, and what I need to calculate here, salary plus commission also I need to calculate. Okay, now right. So now I just write in place of star, I'm writing e name, comma, job, comma, salary, comma, commission. Let's salary plus commission. Okay, now right. So now I'm going to execute it, and salary plus commission I will show as a total. Okay, now total salary. Right. And let you see I'm executing now, and the output. Sorry, guys. Where condition I have to write now? Where e name is equals to Alan. And let you see your output. So here, guys, carefully observe what we are asking in the query. The same result we got it from the table. So what we are asking, guys, here, we are asking to display name, we are asking to display job, we are asking to display salary, we are asking to display commission, and we are asking to display salary plus commission. So in this output, guys, here, carefully identify. Everything is clear now? So as what we asked in the query, so the result is okay? The result is okay? Or else having any problem? Come on. So result is okay now? There is nothing problem. Okay, right. So now this is the which employee we are asking, where employee name is Ellen. So that employee name and their job, salary, commission, and total, all are we are going to be getting now. Okay, fine. The next question, same question. Now I'm just going to change my employee name. Now this time I'm giving employee name is Smith. And now I just go to change my condition name. So I'm taking here Smith. So just a name only change. Yes or no? Just a name only change. And remaining as it is, let you see and to execute now. So now here, carefully observe the name. I want to display name Smith. Job is clerk. Salary 8,000. Commission is nothing. That means Smith employee is not taking any commission. Okay, na? Smith employee is not taking any commission. Okay, and what about your total salary, guys, here? So 8,000 plus nothing is equals to 8,000 I want to expect now. But why it was showing null? That means, is there having any problem, guys, in this result? Having a problem? Okay, so here identified, guys, here. So what is the problem here? So salary is 8,000, commission is nothing for this employee. Then what we are expecting here, salary plus commission, we are expecting 8,000 rupees only. Yes or no? We are expecting 8,000 rupees now. Okay, yes. But here it was showing null. So why, sir? Why 8,000 here? As per the operation, what it was, guys, here. Okay, as per the operation, what now? Salary, how much here? 8,000 rupees. So I need to substitute 8,000 rupees. Plus commission, how much, guys, here? Null. So total, I'm expecting how much, guys, here? 8,000 only I'm expecting. 8,000 only I'm expecting. But what it was happening, guys, here, it was showing null. So that means here, the problem is there. So that means here, the problem is there. Okay, now? So then how to overcome this problem and why it was showing null here? Okay, the reason is what? Reason is what, sir? Okay, let us see. Basically, what it was happened, guys, here, if any arithmetic operator, if any arithmetic operator is performing some operation with null, then it again returns null only. Then it again returns null only. Okay, now this is actually problem. Example, let you see. If x is equals to some 1000, guys, let you see x plus null. If I'm passing x plus null, then x value 1000 plus I do addition with the null, again it returns null only. Same to same, x minus null, again it returns 1000 minus null. So again it returns null only. In the same to same, x into null, if you see 1000 into null, and it again showing null only. Next one, x by null, and if I say 1000 by null, and it will showing null only. So this is actually the problem, guys, here. So any arithmetic operator is performing some operation with the null, it again returns null only. This is the problem with the null. When you do some addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Okay, now? So that's why, guys, here in my query also the same problem here. This is our expression. Here, Smith employee salary 8,000 rupees. So 8,000 is substituted in this expression, plus Smith employee commission is null. So null, okay, was taken null. But here, which operator I'm using? Arithmetic operator. But what we said just now, if any arithmetic operator is going to be performing some operation with a null, again it returns null only. Again it returns null only. Okay, now? So the point all of you clear now, guys? Come on. Okay, right. So this is what the problem, guys. And this problem, how we want to overcome. Okay, how we want to overcome this problem. Okay, now? Right. To overcome this problem, guys, here. Okay. To overcome the above problem, Above problem. Then we use a predefined function in SQL server function in SQL server that is what now is null function. Okay, which function guys here? Is null function we need to use. So when I'm using is null function, then this problem I can overcome. Okay, right. Then what is null? What is null means? Let you see. Is null. Okay, is null. What is the mean by is null means? Okay, it is a predefined function, guys. Here, it's a predefined function. Okay, which is used to replace a user defined value in place of null. Okay, now so wherever null is there, in place of null, user sending some value. Okay, in place of null, user passing some value. So whenever you want to pass some user defined value, in there I used here is null function. Okay, now and guys here observe this function is having two arguments here. Two arguments are first one is what now? Expression 1, comma expression 2. These are the two was there. Okay, now right. If expression 1, careful observe this. If expression 1 is a null, suppose your expression 1 is null is there, in your expression 1 is null, then it returns, guys, then it returns expression 2 value. But expression 2 value, which value? User defined value. So user whatever he was given in expression 2 place, whatever the user was defined here, so that value was written by your is null function. Okay, now so expression 2 is a user defined value. Which value was given by user in expression 2, that value will be returning us. Okay, now when expression 1 is null, suppose your expression 1 is not null. So expression 1 is not null. It means what now? It is a some value. So then return expression 1 value only. Okay, now right. So now we can see the examples. Select is null of expression 1 is null and expression 2 I was given, okay, 0. Now we can see, guys, here. Now tell me in your expression 1 place what it was there, guys, here. In your expression 1 place what it was there? Null is there. In your expression 1 is null is there. And expression 2 is what I was given? 0. So 0 was given by user. And now what I said here, if expression 1 is null, then which value returns? Expression 2 value returns. Expression 2 value returns. And now tell me, if I'm giving to executed this function, what is my result? Yes, 0 only my result. 0 only my result. So now you got it 0. You got it 0. Yes. For example, if I'm giving here 100, then what is my result? Yes, 100 is my result. 100 is my result. Okay. This is one. Suppose if I'm passing here, select is null. Now I'm giving 0, 100 is there. So 0, 100 is there. Then what is my result? Yes, my result is 0. My result is 0 because what I said here, expression 1 is not null. Expression 1 is not null. Then return expression 1 value only. Then returns expression 1 value only. Okay, now. So now we can see expression 1 is what now? Expression 1 is a null or 0? 0. 0 means it is a value now. Yes. So that means what happened here? It is a value means value only returns. Value only returns. Okay, now. Right. Now, for example, now I was given what is my value? Yes, returns 200. Returns 200. So point is clear now. Is null function, how it was working, clear now? Yes. So the same is null. Now I want to substitute. Okay. Here also, now we can see we are performing. So here I want to apply salary plus is null of commission is a column. Okay. Commission, 0. Why I'm taking 0 means Smith employee is not taking any commission. Smith employee not taking any commission. That's why I put it to 0. Okay. And now we can go to execute this entire query. Now we can see, now we got it answer. Yes. So what happened? Smith employee salary 8,000. Smith employee commission is null, but 8,000 plus null is equals to 8,000. Because what it was happening, carefully observe here. What it was happening here, simply what it was happening here. This is our expression, guys. This is our entire expression. So focus on this expression. Employee salary, how much here? 8,000. 8,000 plus is null. Commission, how much for this employee? Null. So null, 0. Then next value, how much here? 8,000. And the plus is null of null, 0. How much returns here this function? 0 returns. Then finally, what is your output? 8,000 rupees. So got it up? Understanding now? So what I did here, salary, what I did here, salary, 8,000. So 8,000 I substituted in my place salary. Commission is null. Null is substituted in place of what now? Commission column. In place of commission, what I substituted? Null. And in place of salary, what I substituted? 8,000. So finally, 8,000 plus. So the problem is avoided or not? Yes. So the problem is solved here. So this is the advantage of is null, guys, here. Whenever you want to do some arithmetic operations along with null, so we are getting problem. So that problem to overcome purpose, the people was introduced one predefined function in SQL Server, that is null function. So with the help of is null function only, we can go to avoiding null problem when you want to do some arithmetic operations. Okay, now? So this is what we called as, guys, here is null. Clear? Right. And the next operator, guys, here, like operator. But guys, like operator, we will discuss on Monday session because today I'm not well. I'm a little bit sick today. Okay. So Monday, we will start a like operator. Okay, now? Okay, right, guys. So Monday we will go for like and the remaining set operators also we can see on Monday session. Okay, now, right, guys. Thank you.